Hey there, I'm Clayton Morris with your Fox Tech Take. You know, it's no secret that America is one of the fattest countries in the world. So wouldn't it be great if you could lose some weight on your lunch break? That's what a new technology claims it can do, and the doctor behind it right here in New York City. Let's go in and meet him. Hey there, Doc. I'm Clayton Morris. Nice to meet you.
Hi, Clayton. Hi, I'm Dr. Ariel Ostad. Nice to see you.
So I'm here. I want to learn how I could lose weight on my lunch break. You ready to show me?
Absolutely. Well, come on over. We'll go over that. Cool Sculpting is a phenomenal, revolutionary, non-surgical technique where we can actually lose fat in a span of a treatment that lasts an hour. It's basically using a laser-like device that is able to crystallize and freeze the fat beneath your skin over a course of an hour, and that process results in those fat cells that are frozen to just die over a course of 2 months. So if you can just imagine that this is a person's abdomen, and this is a bulge that despite exercise, despite diet, patients have a hard time losing. That central abdominal fat, the belly that we all struggle with. And basically what happens with this technology is that there is a device that grabs the skin and grabs the fat into a suction cup, and basically for 1 hour it delivers this cold energy through the skin. Well, during that hour, that fat crystallizes and it's pretty much frozen. It almost looks like butter that's been in the freezer. So we detach the device, and basically our skin and everything goes back to normal as that fat melts, but yet that fat for that hour that's been frozen is no longer viable, and those fat cells begin to die and get absorbed. So what happens over a course of 2 months, if this is what you started at baseline, you can see how basically everything kind of just shrinks and shrinks, and therefore you get a really nice reduction.
All right, so is this the machine?
So Clayton, this is the machine. This is the Cool Sculpting machine by the company named Zeltique.
Looks like something out of Star Trek.
Yes, it is certainly a big device, but the procedure is quite actually very simple and fundamental. There is basically within this unit housed a precise freezer, for lack of a better term. It's a laser-like device that is able to deliver cold energy. Here is the actual suction cup. The patient who's sitting here, this gets attached to the area. The machine basically grabs the skin and it grabs it into this area, and it can go as far back as here, so it can grab a large area. The more we can grab, the more results we can produce. For the first 10 minutes, it is a bit uncomfortable because you're feeling the suction cup grab your skin. You are feeling the cold energy. It's almost like putting ice on your skin. But within 10 minutes, the area is completely numb and you don't feel anything. And for the rest of the 15 minutes while the machine is doing what it's doing, you're basically reading a magazine or you're just working on your phone. That's the beauty of this procedure, is that it's totally non-surgical. So you're going to feel a little tightening. You're going to feel how it's pulling your skin inward into that suction cup. It's going to be a little bit tight. It's almost like pinching your skin and pulling it and grabbing it into the suction cup. It'd be a little bit slightly uncomfortable. How does it feel to you right now?
It's not too bad. It just feels like someone in high school was giving me a twisting my skin, you know, in the hallway or something.
Right, exactly.
It's not too bad.
So basically, now that the procedure is done, we're just going to massage the area to just smooth things out.
Okay.
So you're just going to feel my fingertips.
Okay, you can blur this part out, Justin. We don't need to see the massage.
Clayton, that was it.
That's it?
That's it. That was the procedure. Simple 1 hour procedure.
Well, now that my lunch break is over, I appreciate it.
My pleasure. It was a pleasure seeing you.
And I'm going to lose some weight now. That's all I need to do on my lunch break. Thanks so much, Doc. I appreciate
My pleasure.
it.
Very good.
All right, there you go. I'm Clayton Morris with your Fox Tech Take. I feel like I've done some crunches. I'm going to start looking svelte.